Hey y'all, so welcome to my garage. This is post-divorce. It is a disaster. Hopefully as this becomes a working garage, it will get cleaned up some, and there's nobody here to clean it but me, so I'm going to work on it. I've got some recyclables I need to take. I keep forgetting it's out here. I'm never in here, but I'm going to start changing that, so hopefully that'll be different soon. But I hope to clean it up so I can work on the Riker and work on this thing some. So here goes the journey. This will be day one of working in the garage. What's happening, y'all? I decided to do a project today. First thing first, this is what I will be working on. This is my new to me 2005 Yamaha TTRE. It is battery and kickstart. Currently the battery is DOA. It's history. But it will start with a kickstart. It took me a while. I had to figure out where that compression point was, so I'm a little I'm still a little green when it comes to that, but sorry, I gotta remember to look at the camera lens, not at me. So what I'm gonna do first is build this stand. I have no idea how to build it. Let's get to it and let's see how it works. And I keep forgetting to look here. Let me get the tools and I'll be back. Okay, so I got you looking underneath the bike because that's where this thing needs to be. My shoe's about to come untied. So, oh, this thing is heavy. It will hold up to 1,100 pounds. So I got this thing on Amazon, thanks to Truck and Biker. He suggested it for me. It was $99 regular price, and the day he sent me the link, it was going on sale the next day, and I got it for like $72.50 shipped with Prime. So it was one of those Prime sales that they have. So apparently there's nothing to put together. It's already put together. And in order to get this going, well, heck, okay, that's pretty cool. This is how you do it. I think I'm going the wrong way. Let's see, which way does it go? Y'all get to watch me learn. How you like me? This is alright. It says you need a wrench, but I don't know, I'm really going the wrong way. Okay, anyway. So, I'm hoping I'll be able to figure out how to get this thing on here. You guys who know how to work on your bike are probably going to frustrate the crap out of you. You're welcome. I have no idea what I'm doing. And no clue where this is supposed to go. Oh my God, this thing is so nasty underneath. She definitely needs a bath. A little backstory on this bike. Yeah, it definitely needs cleaned out. I bought this online. One of my biking friends helped me go look at it. No clue how many hours she has on her. I have no idea. Didn't really care. I hope to learn how to ride a dirt bike. Most of y'all know that follow this channel that I have a Riker. Hey, this is all right. I have a 2019 Riker Rally, and this, as I said, is an 05 Yamaha TTRE 125. Okay, how does this work exactly? All right, out of the kickstand. So, I'm curious if I need to stand this up straight. Boy, this does not look great. Let's see. All right, but the plan is to learn how to ride two wheels so that eventually, and this is the reason, okay, I'm gonna squirrel for a second. This is the reason I'm doing this. It has a flat in the rear, the tube is gone. So today's goal is to remove the tire and to remove the tire and to get a new tube put in it, hence that, and then I can proceed to learn how to not break a hip or my neck on the bike. I'm super excited. This thing's been sitting here for weeks. I'm ready to get on it and ride, not gonna lie. So yeah, let's see how I can do this without dropping the damn bike. I'm a little nervous about this, but we'll see how this goes. I'm assuming I need to take it off of the kickstand, but I do not like the way this is going to sit. Let's see. Excuse me while I try to figure this out, y'all. It's a little more on the right than it is on the left. Okay, let's see. I think that's just because of well, hell. It's just because the kickstand's going to be in the way, I think. The base of the kickstand. Let's see if I can get it up there now. Which way is that going? Nope, wrong way. Well, this is a painful process. And so, is it lifting it up? It is. Ha ha. Okay, good deal. Why does it feel like it's sketchy? So I need to get the back tire off the ground. Over here. Ooh, this is making me nervous. Oh, going the wrong way again. Damn it, Heather. So, in the comments, if you have any suggestions to help me with this being any easier, I would greatly appreciate it. Tire's off, almost off the ground. How in the hell is this going to stay stable while I'm wrenching on it? Alright, gotta trust the process, right? Almost off the ground. I do want to get it a little up off so I can have room to move. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, this is kind of cool. Lifting bikes. I've been lifting four-wheel drives for years, but this is a whole nother ball game. This is alright. Alright. I don't think I'm going to go much further than that. I think that's good. So, she's off the ground. Now to get some tools so I can start taking that back off. Oh boy, I've heard that this little bugger is hard to get off, that they tend to seize up. Oh, that one's easy. I can move it with my hand. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm going to pause this video and take some photos of the way it looks now so I'll remember how to get it back on. And I'm also going to get some stuff to label the bolts, and I probably won't be using the right terms, but that's okay as long as I remember where it's at. I'm good there. Thanks. Here we go. I'll be back. Okay, so I had to do a little digging. I started to think I didn't have a 17mm wrench, but I do. So I'm glad about that. First thing you gotta do, I have no freaking idea what this is. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to learn as I go along, but this, other videos say that it's really hard to get off, but mine's super easy. I hope that's not a bad thing. So this is spring loaded, so let's see if I can pull this out of there. And I'm just gonna put this right back on top of it, so it takes some of the tension away. Let that drop. Good deal. Now, let's see if I remember right. It's righty tighty, lefty loosey. Yep. my God, this was loose. I'm actually loosening it. That's not good. Okay, let's see if we can get this off of here. I did see it was a long bolt, so there's that. Oh, well, that certainly helps if I put some pressure on it to get it on there, or off. All right, everything's starting to break loose. Oh, nice. Okay. So I understand all this needs to go in sync with each other, so, oh man, it's been a while since I've had my hand greasy. This is nice. Okay. Yeah, I'm one of those girls. Okay, so that's going to be on the right side, so I'll put it on the right side of my ladder. And this is the left side. The guy tapped it, but I don't think I'm going to need to do that. Dang, this is too easy. I should never say that ever. Alright, so try to take some tension off of the chain. This chain is something scary I ain't never dealt with before. How in the world do you get this off? Okay. There we go. Draping the chain over. Pulling this pin. Plastic's in my way. I can't get a good wedge on it. Let's see. See if I can lift this up a little bit. This is not exactly easy, this plastic. I understand why the guy took this off now. Oh, this is not going to give. Out of here. Is that not moving? What are we doing wrong? It's not wanting to give away. Let's see. I think I have it in a bind somewhere. Oh shit, what was that? Oh no, where did that come from? Well, that's not good. I have no idea where this just came from. I'm gonna assume here somewhere, but oh, it came out of here. Okay. Crap. Let's do this. I didn't realize that came out. So, we're just gonna do this. You guys are probably going, oh my God, this woman is killing me. Yeah, well, it's all a journey and learning. Come on, let's just spring back so I can get that on there. Now I can't even get that. There it goes. Alright, looks like Mickey Mouse ears. Alright, lay that back down there again. Now, let's see. It's already through this side, so I'm not 100% certain, and my arms are short, how to get this off. What am I missing here? I think... Okay, that slides back. I get that. Whew, it's getting hot in here and there's no air. Let's see if I can pull this, work this out any. Nope. Dadgummit. All right. Alright, I have no idea how to get this off. It was super easy for the guy in the video. Nothing is ever easy for me. See, I should have never said it was easy. Let's see. Oh, that's a positive sound. I think maybe I had this slid out too far. Maybe it's got it on a bind, or in a bind. Okay, so that's back in its slot again. Trying to do this. Nope. get a rubber mallet and see if I can whack-a-mole it out this way. Here's what I'm dealing with. So this is the way it's looking. Sorry, y'all. It almost looks bent a little bit, I'll be honest with you. It looks like it's kind of going this way a little. That's not good, but I think it'll make it work no more than I'm going to do with it. But I'm probably going to kind of put this on here and whack this outward and see if it'll come out. Try to lift up on the rim here and get it out of a bind, get the weight up off of it some, and see what happens. Wish me luck. Okay, I watched the video again. I think I just haven't got enough lift off of the tire to be able to pull this bolt instead of sledgehammering it. I think I'm afraid of breaking something, and I don't think I'm going to break this really. So I'm going to try to be a little rougher with it and see how that goes. See if I can get it out of this bind. Let's see. Let's do this. Oh. Alright. I'm about to get mad. Let's see if we can get it out of here. I mean, there's not enough pressure that it's not. Come on. This piece of plastic is driving me crazy. I think that's in my way to being able to get up under it good. Yeah, it's not coming off. All right, stand by. All right, my rubber mallet's in the FJ for my trail kit, so this is gonna have to work. Let's see. Y'all probably laughing at my ass right now. Oh gosh, why is it not coming out? All right, time to call reinforcements. I'm gonna try and see if Quasi Motard or Truck and Biker is available to walk me through getting this damn thing off. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I called Quasi. He suggested an extension, a thin one, to get it in the axle hole and kind of tap it through. And sorry, but my yard guy said he was going to be here tomorrow. He's here today. So, alright, let's see if we can get this through here. He said it might have a burr, and it's definitely sticking. Damn, this is awesome. This works really well. Helps if I can hit it. Oh, look at there. Ah, beautiful. Quasi man, you're a freaking lifesaver. Thank you so much. Okay, pop that out. Beautiful. Guess who's getting a tube in the tire this week? I guess I gotta take some time off work to go get a tube put in. Woohoo! First project on this damn thing. Quasi, you're awesome. Aaron, I really do appreciate you very much. Hell yeah. Now I just gotta put it back in. That's gonna be a trip, but I got this. Thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate you very much. I'll have more videos to come. I may even do some of me riding this thing, so that'll be interesting. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please forgive me, it's hot as crap in here. There's no fans. I need to get a fan in the window. Oh, sorry, I'm covering the lens. But thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate you. Have a good weekend, what's left of it. Take care, bye-bye.